going! Look at that, baby. Howdy. So today's the big day that you've all been waiting for. We're gonna raise this roof. Look at this mechanism. We got snow in 2 days. We're really pushing it close, so we got to get moving. We got like 2 hours to do this. What we're doing is we're jacking this up to the height that we need, and then if you see here, we already pre-drilled a couple holes, and just let it sit on the top hat channel right here. So as the roof lifts, the hat channel will actually slide into place here, and as soon as it's into place, we can pilot some of these holes real quick while these jacks are all the way up, and then adhere the new hat channels to the old hat channels by adhesive and bolts. All right. Do you see this? It's been a long morning, all right? Take two. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! We pre-cut 22 out of 26 of these channels, and we left the 1, 2, 3, and 4 by those jacks back there. We left those intact so we could cut those last once the jacks were securely in place. Okay, so real quick, I'm gonna check the jack and just make sure it's in a notch. All right, here we go. God be with us. That was a really bad start. God help us. What's up? It's going! Look at this. I'm leaning out the window right now. I'm grabbing not even from the top. Ready? 1, 2. 1. Ready? 2. Dude! This thing's going taller! It's going taller! I get real excited, really easy. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have galvannealed sheet metal, which is galvanized, well, it's galvanized steel, and it is coated, it is already primed for us to paint, so they call it galvannealed, if nobody knew that. And we were just making sure before we raise the roof too much with these farm jacks that it's exactly 48 inches, which it is. They look all the same to me. 48 inches it is. Each one of these holes right here is actually 1 inch exactly apart, so this works out really well.
I think so.
Okay, well at least we know this one has to go too.
You don't have a whole lot more on this jack.
So should I count these quick?
No, just do 2.
You sure?
That's what I did on that side.
You sure they were the same?
Yeah.
I trust you.
Okay.
1.
It's scary.
So that's how easy it is. I don't even have to look at how big that lever is, and that's how light this roof is here. 2. So
I'll hold it just to make sure.
Why does it do that?
So, that was me. I put weight on it. Dude, look at how close we are to your gutter.
Right.
Oh my goodness, no way. 1.